Our next guest for the show joins us here at the FintechTV studios. This is Staci Warden. She is the CEO of Algorand Foundation, making her debut on Taking Stock, if I'm not mistaken.
Thanks, JD. I'm so happy to be here.
It's really good to have you. Can you first give us a bit of an introduction to your work at Algorand for anyone a bit unfamiliar, and what would you say are among your top priorities these days?
Sure. Algorand is a layer one blockchain. It's an OG blockchain. It's been around for a long time, and it's very focused on financial empowerment. And financial empowerment means a couple of different things. First, lightning fast payments. So not like you and I can make quick Venmo payments to each other, but like on rails that you can send anything, anywhere, instantly, right? Like, for example, HesabPay does 50,000 humanitarian payments into Afghanistan on Algorand rails. It also means, and it also means like availing yourself of financial products like savings products, investment products, without having to use a bank, right? This is what crypto is all about. It also means having access to the same kinds of things that rich people can do, but to do it at a lower price point. So there's a company called Lofty AI. They let you buy into rental income. So you can buy into real estate, get rental income for as little as $50, right? And this also happens on Algorand rails. So, some of these rental properties have 200 investors in one rental property. So you and I, we could never have a big rental income portfolio before, but now because of crypto and tokenization and good rails, so this is the kind of thing that Algorand is really focused on.
That's amazing. Well, congratulations on all the success. Can I get your perspective on the recent crypto volatility? This is the part of the show we've been covering it. Yeah. Obviously, we're well off those Bitcoin highs of 126 a couple months ago. We're back to the 85,000 level. What do you make of the price action?
Super annoying.
Yeah, that's correct.
That is my main takeaway. I sometimes feel like Adam Smith's invisible hand is holding a whip, and it moves a little bit, and then crypto just like is at the tail of that whip, and it just gets wafted around, And crypto is really, it's a high beta macro asset. And so that means it has exposure to big geopolitical events, right? I mean, the biggest trigger for us recently was on October 10th, and when President Trump said he was going to impose 100% tariffs on Chinese goods, right? Think about all the things that you buy from China. Think about the price of those things doubling, right? And so the macro market got scared. Crypto sold off a lot on the 10th. There was some market structure things there where delta neutral hedging market makers kind of couldn't execute on their trades. And so that took away some liquidity out of the market too. So all of these combinations. And then I will tell you, the AI type investor and the crypto type investor, this forward thinking tech innovative investor, they're kind of the same investor, right? So if AI is selling off, crypto selling off, crypto selling off, AI is selling off, it's all a bit, it seems a bit correlated.
How are you viewing the world of quantum investing relative to crypto? Is there a quantum threat to the crypto majors?
Yeah, so there's been some news out about that recently that's got the crypto ecosystem a bit shook up. So first of all, the idea that quantum is here, like they figured it out, but they just can't make it cold enough. So it's turned from a cryptography problem to an engineering problem. And some big voices in cryptography have said it's not 25 to 30 years away, it's like 5 to 10 years away. So crypto is very exercised around that, I would say. The most important thing, though, there is to make sure that your ledger is quantum secure, that the history of the transactions on your chain are quantum secure, right? And so we were founded at Algorand by one of the world's most famous cryptographers, which is not to say really that cryptographers are ever famous.
Sure.
We were founded by the Taylor Swift of cryptographers. No. And so for 5 years now, we have had the history of Algorand be quantum secure. And so this is something that's really set us apart. And it's very important in crypto because you can't have somebody going in and messing with the order of the transactions.
Sure.
You take it out of my column, like I had 10 Bitcoin, I put it into your column, now you have 10 Bitcoin. I can't do anything about that, right? So this is the most important thing. But moving forward, we have to also make sure that wallets are quantum secure and other technical details are also quantum secure.
Amazing. Well, thank you for being here. Please come back anytime because
Okay.
I feel like I learned so much in the last few minutes and I need you to continue explaining this stuff.
I'm here for you anytime you want it.
Staci Warden, CEO of Algorand Foundation. Thanks a lot.
Thanks and Merry Christmas.
You as well. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year.